In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private channel public in Slack. If your team's conversations need to reach a broader audience, or if you want to streamline communication, it's essential to know how to adjust your channel settings appropriately. Let's get started, and in just a few minutes, you'll have your Slack channel visible to everyone in the workspace. First, open up Slack on your preferred device. Slack is accessible via a desktop app, web browser, or even through mobile apps, so choose the one that is most convenient for you. If you haven't already logged in, now's the time to do so. You can use your email, your Google account, or even your Apple ID to get started. This flexibility comes in handy, saving you the hassle of remembering another password. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left, where all your workspaces are neatly listed. Click on the workspace containing the channel you wish to modify. Workspaces are essentially the collection of channels you're part of, each dedicated to a specific team or project. Within the workspace, browse through the list of channels and locate the one you're looking to change from private to public. Click on the channel name. Remember, a private channel is marked by a padlock icon, which means only invited members can see its content. Public channels, on the other hand, are viewable by everyone in the workspace, fostering greater transparency and engagement. With your chosen channel open, glance towards the upper right corner. Here, you'll notice an ellipsis, or 3 dots. This is your gateway to further channel options. Click on these 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit Settings. Editing settings is where you can adjust multiple aspects of your channel to suit your needs. Under the Settings menu, there will be an option labeled Change to a Public Channel. Make sure you select this. Be mindful that only channel owners or admins typically have permission to change a channel's privacy settings, so ensure you have the necessary privileges. If you wish, you can also take this opportunity to update the channel's name. Perhaps the current name no longer accurately reflects the channel's scope or intention. Once you've made the desired changes, ensure to hit Save Changes to apply them. And there you have it. A few simple clicks, and your Slack channel is now public, broadening the reach of your conversations and collaboration within your workspace. As long as you follow this straightforward guide, you'll be able to switch between private and public settings with ease whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking!